Hi, I'm Darwin. If you want financial freedom and more family time, watch this video until the end.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Darren Ewart.
Hey, and I'm Mike Dreher.
Hi, I'm Chris, and this is my wife, Karen.
Hey guys, my name is Leanne. I'm a full-time digital marketer.
Hi, my name is Rebecca.
Hi there, my name is Kiara, and
hi guys, I'm Kristen.
Hi, I'm Shell. And I'm Shell. We're better known as Shell Squared.
Hey everyone, my name is Paula.
hi, this is Cheryl.
Hi, my name is Melody.
Hey guys, my name is Rowan. I'm a stay-at-home mom.
I'm Carrie.
Hi, my name's Simon. I was in the IT industry for the last 20 years.
I'm a child of God. I'm a wife. I'm a mother of 6, a grandmother of 17, and a great-grandmother of 3.
This is because of my family. I wanted to spend more time with them and be with them.
I am missing the bedtime story with our kids because at the time I'm working nighttime.
But aside from having a financial breakthrough, time freedom is something that money can't buy.
19 years as a paramedic means that daily I see tragedy and I see loss. I'm reminded how short our time is.
I watched this life-changing webinar. I joined the business right away. I did like 2-3 weeks of training because I was excited to get on board. This is a business that you will be proud of.
And so definitely it's a little bit scary at first, but the training, the support, and the community that is part of this business is amazing. Anybody can do it.
Can do it at any age, anytime. It is fun and it is easy.
We provide you with all the sales tools, the marketing training, and the products that you'll need to get set up as quickly as possible.
It is a 90% done for you system. All that you have to do is to put in that 10%.
Before I started my business, I had no experience. I was not tech savvy. I come from the corporate rat race.
In fact, how anybody could do it, no matter what their background was or what country they were from, literally they could just plug into the training and crack on and build a business.
I've 13 years as a cop, and I've seen my fair share of scams online, and I wasn't ready to attach my name and reputation as a police officer to something I didn't completely understand. So, fast forward 2 years, I've done the online training, I completely understand the business now, and this business has changed our lives.
I love that this business gives us the opportunity to homeschool our son, and that we can be anywhere in the world and still have an income source.
It makes me work smarter, not harder.
It enabled us to regain our time and our freedom. We started as a part-time, and now we're doing it full-time.
It also helped to supplement our income.
And we were also able to give my mom a
brand new car back home in the Philippines.
So with my kids day and night while my business is still open, running in the background 24/7.
I got to retire early.
It's replaced our incomes. This is incredible.
And as a result, I no longer have to work for a boss that was paying me $100,000 a year.
We were able to pack up our 5-year-old son and make our move to the beach.
I was a child care provider, and I fired my boss after 3 months of my online business.
And if it wasn't for my digital business, I would not have been able to fire 3 bosses in just 9 months.
I just quit my job.
Already quit my part-time job.
I've been doing this for just over 1 year. And in that time, I've been able to actually quit my job.
I've never looked back.
And money's been able to help me pay off a line of credit. I was able to take my father on a vacation of a lifetime to New York City, help my brother.
We are speeding up our retirement. The people in this business are real. The business is real.
What I love most about this business is that you can run it from your smartphone. Anywhere you go, anywhere you travel, you don't have to worry about anything. Cheers.
We run our business from wherever we want, whenever we want.
I know. I feel like I've won the lottery.
Yeah, absolutely. So you know, hope you get some value out of this, and we look forward to working with you.
If you want to work with somebody professional who knows what they're doing and can help you do the same, this is it, folks. Here's your opportunity.
See you on the inside.
Check it out.
Click the Learn More button, guys, and I hope to see some of you guys at the workshop. Until then, be blessed, be grateful, and take a leap of faith.
So believe me, if I can build an online business, so can you.